Isaac Newton was a true genius whose discoveries fundamentally changed the way we understand our world and the universe beyond. Let's dive into some of his most groundbreaking achievements. First up, the laws of motion. In 1687, Newton formulated three fundamental laws that laid the groundwork for classical mechanics. The first law, or the law of inertia, states that an object will remain at rest or in uniform motion unless acted upon by an external force. Simple yet revolutionary. The second law is all about force and acceleration. Newton showed that the force acting on an object is equal to its mass times its acceleration, or Weissief equals sine ma. This equation is still fundamental in physics today. And finally, the third law, known as action-reaction. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. This concept explains everything from how rockets launch to how we walk. Next, we have the law of universal gravitation, also from 1687. Newton proposed that every mass attracts every other mass with a force proportional to their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. This explained planetary motion and tides, reshaping our understanding of the cosmos. In the late 1660s to the 1670s, Newton co-developed calculus, independently of Leibniz. This mathematical framework became essential for describing motion and change, forming the foundation for physics and engineering. Newton also made significant strides in optics and the nature of light. Between 1672 and 1704, he discovered that white light is composed of different colors using a prism. He invented the reflecting telescope, which improved image clarity by using mirrors instead of lenses. Not to mention, he developed the theory of color, explaining how light interacts with objects. But it wasn't all physics and math for Newton. He also delved into alchemy and theology, though these works were less celebrated. As president of the Royal Society from 1703 to 1727, Newton influenced scientific discourse and upheld high standards for research and experimentation. He was also the master of the mint from 1699 to 1727, where he introduced measures to prevent counterfeiting, significantly improving England's financial system. His magnum opus, Philosophiae Naturalis Principia Mathematica, published in 1687, mathematically described motion, gravity, and planetary orbits. This work shaped the field of physics for centuries. Newton's discoveries had a profound impact on physics, mathematics, and astronomy, laying the groundwork for modern